cannot think of any intro. I guess I'm not really good at it, so yeah, whatever. Let's just say, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can implement material icons for your Xamarin application. So it's practically very basic. So I hope you can learn something from this video. So let's head over to our Visual Studio, and as you can see, I have already prepared a blank project here, and it only has one page. It has several labels, frames, and so yeah, it's pretty basic. So okay, what we want to do is we want to download our custom font. So for this custom font, it contains a lot of font icons. So let's go over to our browser, Edge browser, and we're going to open a website named Material Design Icons. So this is where we're going to download our icons. So we're going to hit download button and then download the web font. Yeah, okay, so that's it. I think I have already downloaded this before, so we're going to open the file. And what we actually want here is we want the .pdf file only, so we're going to just copy that and going back to Visual Studio and open the folder in File Explorer, and we're going to paste it here. Okay, so that is pasted, and then so as you can see, Visual Studio automatically added that. And next thing we want to do is we want to set the build action to embedded resource. Okay, so make sure your custom font should be, the build action should be embedded resource, otherwise it won't work. Next thing we want to do is we want to update our assembly info.cs. But first, I would like to apologize for any background noises you will hear, people talking in the background, dogs barking, kids shouting everywhere, yeah, all sorts of noise because you're at home. Yeah, so let's update our assembly info.cs. Let's add a new line and then type assembly, export font. So forms. So the export font is you should have the font file name, and our font file name should be Material Designs Icons web font.pdf. So it's a string, and we also need our alias, which we're going to use later on for the font family. For simplicity, we're going to just name it as material. You can set any name you want. For this demo, we're just going to name it as material. Okay. So next thing we want to do is we're going to open a new website named iconfont.code. No, service unavailable. So it looks like GitHub is actually probably updating their system. So, wow, okay. Very good timing. GitHub.
Later, in the void.
Okay, so we are now back online. Yeah, I checked the website and it's all back online. I even checked the GitHub and it's all back online. And what happened actually yesterday, I think the whole internet went down. So is it done? Yeah, okay, let's go. So let's let's continue our code. We're actually browsing for the. So where is that file? Okay, let's get our file. Just want to copy that. Actually, in Windows, we'll just copy the full path of the file. So we're going to just paste it over there and open. And this website is actually going to open the web font, and it will show all the font clips here. So right now the web font has 5,940 font clips. So there are tons of font icons you can choose there. So for this demo, we're just going to use some social media icons, so like Facebook, Instagram, and whatsoever. So let's try to find the Facebook. There, and here in the right pane is actually the generated code. So what you can do is just to select the font icon you want, and it'll automatically generate the code for us. So you just click Facebook, and yeah, it generated the code. And next thing we want is the Instagram. Okay, yeah, why not choose chicken as well? Okay, so now we're going to copy that, and then back in our Visual Studio, we're going to create a new class file. So we're going to create, say, font icons. Okay, here it is, and we're going to change the namespace. Let's just beautify a little bit, and then say let's add fonts. So our namespace would be material fonts.fonts. And then we're going to paste our code, the generated code here. Okay, and let's not forget to set the class visibility to public, and let's also clean the usings, remove and sort usings, or you can just use the shortcut keys, Ctrl+Shift+R. Yes. Alright, so next thing we want to do is we want to I think that's pretty much it. Let's start to run the application. So let's wait. So it's running now, and let's make sure hot reload is properly working. Let's start reloading now. Let's add some exclamation point. Does it work? Yeah, okay, so it's working. So we really do not need all these labels here, so we're just going to remove those, and let's add stack layout and add some margin, and then label text, material fonts. Probably just 20. That should do it. Okay, so to properly use the font icons, you need to add a new namespace in our XAML file. So what we want to do is to add XMLNS and then the ls for our namespace. Material fonts. So our namespace here is material fonts.fonts, so it should be the same as what we did here. Okay. So that should do it, and then next thing we want to do is we want to use the font icons we got from that material font. So what we want to do is curly braces, and then x static fi, so the fi the ls of our namespace, and then icon font and Facebook. Font size, let's change it to 100, and the font name or the font family should be material. So remember, our font family should be the same as what we actually see. A lot of unforgiving noises. Anyway, so our alias is material, so that's what we're going to use for our font family. It's material as well. And save. So there it is. That's our font icon there. We're going to add the two icons as well. save, and there it is. Alright, so let's reformat it for some bit of beautification. So what we're going to do, label formatted text, formatted string, and span text. So static icon font, Facebook, font size 25, and font family. There you go. And then under span space, Facebook, font size 20, and hit save. So there you go. And adding the two other fonts, or the other two icons. So we have Instagram, Chipney, hit save, and there you go. So that's basically it. That's how you implement material font icons for your Xamarin application. So I hope you guys learned something, and yeah, good luck.